All right, thank you again for joining. Today we're doing free code camp, responsive web design, learn HTML by building a cat photo app. Step 4. Commenting allows you to learn messages without affecting the browser display. It also allows you to make code inactive. A comment in HTML starts with this, all right? Contains any number of lines of text and ends with this, okay? Here is an example of a comment with the to do remove h1. So this is the example, starts with this, ends with this. This is the text. Our assignment is add a comment above the P element with this text. To do, add link to cat photos. All right, so we're gonna start with this above. So we gonna start here and slash. So we're gonna add our text, which is to do, add link and paste here. Then we're gonna add this one. Yeah, so here we're gonna check if it works. And you see here, see more cat photos in our gallery, shows that it works. Let's just check, you never know. Boom, that's it. Now it says submit and go to the next challenge. Thank you very much. See you in our next step.